Hello, my name is Sarah Valentine and I'm an accent and dialect coach, and today I'm going to be watching videos on Americans speaking with British accents. If you are watching this on YouTube, please do click the subscribe button down below, and also if you've enjoyed the video, do click that like button. Right, let's get into it.
Teas and crumpets and spotted dick.
Crumpets and spotted dick.
Oh, hello.
Like doing like a British accent, like really.
I really don't have a British accent.
Yeah, so I really don't have a British accent. It's because I'm trying to do like a London sort of...
British. I'm British.
Another problem that Americans have is that they have this really strong, heavy R sound. A British person says British. It's right at the front of the mouth.
To the balcony. All right.
Oh my god, I love him. He's kind of got like a little bit of a Jamaican thing going on. He's like, oh, hello, we're to the balcony.
God save the Queen.
Oh, I like her. I really like her.
Will you be taking the Lamborghini, Mr. Wayne?
Lamborghini and Mr. Wayne. You've got those R sounds in there, so it would be Lamborghini, Mr. Wayne. So it's that O that she's slipping up on there.
My girlfriend said,
Blue minute.
It's raining again.
radio.
No, it's raining again.
Oh, hey, how you doing there, mate? Oh, I guess that's more Australian.
Crikey.
This is about as good of a British accent as I can muster.
He kind of sounded a little bit Irish.
Can you pass me the butter?
Can I have some more?
beans.
Or some potatoes.
Or some potatoes.
Would you like to have a cup of tea?
6 lumps of sugar in a spotted dick.
Fill her up. Can I get a cup of tea?
Tea?
Hey.
Cup of tea, please. Can I get some water, please?
Oh, she is definitely some, like German maybe.
Go play some soccer.
Grab a pint at the pub, 3 shillings.
It's a jolly holiday with you, Mary Poppins.
Yeah, so it's that classic jolly holiday review, Mary Poppins. You know, they really tend to go.
I tell everyone that I'm from London and I'm here on a work visa.
Oh, that was actually rather good. She sounded like she was from London there. Hang on.
You, Mary Poppins.
No, not
I tell
her.
everyone that I'm from London and I'm here on...
Yeah, so she says London, and that's where it falls over. I tell everyone that I'm from London. That's the only tell, because she could sound like she was from London.
I tell everyone that I'm from London and I'm here on a work visa.
Yeah, so when she says the word work visa, you wouldn't say work visa. But yeah, I mean, that's actually not bad. Not bad at all.
It's proper fit, mate. Hello, Governor.
Proper fit, mate. That's not bad.
In the morning.
You must be reasonable.
And
That was very good. You must be reasonable.
Henry Higgins.
Oh, hello, stranger.
How you doing?
How you doing? I mean, like, you can totally tell that she's from, like, somewhere like New York.
What's your name?
My name is...
What's your name? It's, again, that funny
Sherlock
Cockney.
Holmes.
Darling, would you like to go for a walk?
All right.
Walk. Would you like to go for a walk? You see, walk is very American. Instead of a walk, would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk?
I'm Emma Watson.
Harry
Potter. Bloody hell, Harry Potter.
Ronald, you've got dirt on your nose.
Did you know? And he was like, bitch. Hello, puppet.
Meet my daughter, Clementine.
Meet my daughter, Clementine. So we wouldn't say daughter because daughter is very American. It's daughter. Daughter is how the Americans say daughter. But the British way to say daughter, it's much more rounded. Daughter.
Would you like to go to the movie sometime?
I'm going to put you through Hollywood.
How are you doing, my darling? Darling?
Good. Thanks.
You
Bloody
wanker. Cool, blimey.
bollocks.
British Jones.
Yeah, the British swear words. I love British swear words. But it's funny because Americans don't realise what they're saying. This is now moving into an X-rated version of, like, kids, close your ears. Bollocks, wanker. You know, they don't use those words, so they don't know what a wanker is and they don't know what bollocks are. When I was in America and I said bollocks or wanker, people would be like, oh my god, that's so cute. I'm thinking, god, if only you knew what I was talking about.
British Jones.
Penis.
Pointer, fuck.
Pinus? What? We don't say pinus. It's a penis.
Face. Fucking hell.
Fork and hell. But if you were from up north, you might go fork and hell, but fork and hell. Fork and hell. Where's that from? Like, that's like Irish. Fucking hell. Fucking hell is English.
Believe you bloody crumb truffle on her
Bloody crumb truffle on Her Majesty's hairy bosom sacks. I've never even heard that.
Majesty's hairy bosom sacks.
Would you like to come for dinner? I can't.
Fucking we go to a movie with me. Hello.
I'm not saying that word.
Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Cheerio, chap.
Hello, we are not available right now, but we'll be back in a jiffy. So please leave a message. Cheerio.
Yeah, no. It was fun. It's a good video. All right, well, that's the end of that one. Cheerio.